Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh Wednesday episode of Crypto Milad. Today is 23 October, and we're gonna make a great show. In today's show, we're gonna discuss three coins, guys. Three coins, what we already discussed before, but what we're gonna analyze today a little bit extra to see where the points are that we can have some good buys, guys. These coins are today number one that we're gonna look at. It's Hoppy, because Hoppy, guys, our favorite frog. It has a pullback, and we're gonna try to find out how far this pullback will go. The second coin that I want to discuss, guys, is our favorite turtle, Speedy. Because Speedy, I know that a lot of guys in this channel, they like Speedy, they invested in Speedy. So we're gonna take a look at Speedy and see what Speedy will do for us. And the third coin, guys, what I discussed yesterday with you guys, easy, what we expected a pullback if it get rejected at the point what I yesterday mentioned. So we're gonna also take a look at Easy, the dog, and we're gonna see what it will bring us. And also, guys, a little look to Bitcoin. Maybe in the begin, I think that's better. If you guys think that we do better the Bitcoin at the end, let me know in the comments, guys. Then we do it in the end in the future. Maybe that's more easy for the people. I'm gonna put my screen a little more smaller so you guys can see the charts and the numbers and etc. What's more important. And guys, yesterday, apologize for the sound, because I saw later when I published the video, I saw that the sounds was horrible, guys. Really apologize for that. And the problem was that I had the two microphones on, and that's why it was like a robot voice. And today I watched it and I checked it double, so you guys have a normal voice. If there is some problem with any voice, or you guys think the voice is too loud or too or not, let me know please in the comments, so then I can change it or in the future do it different. Because guys, in this channel we are one group and we try to have one goal and we try to make the best of it, guys, in this Q4. So what we're gonna discuss today, let's start with Hoppy, guys. Let's start with or better, guys, let's start with the Bitcoin price. We do a fast Bitcoin price. I don't make it too long, the Bitcoin, and then after we go to the meme coins. Let's watch the Bitcoin price on the, let's say, on the 4 hour. Then we see everything clearly, and then I skip today the other time frames, and we do the 4 hours. In the 4 hours we can see everything quite clear. Let's see if you guys can see the chart all good. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so the Bitcoin price, guys, like you know, it's a little bit pulling back. And I think, guys, what the reason for that is, sorry, a sip of the coffee, guys. I think the reason of that is because of the elections, what is on 5 November. So in seven, let's say in a little 2 weeks, we have the elections, what you guys know, because I have a lot of subscribers also from the USA. You guys know it even better. I'm self not in USA. I'm mostly in half of the time I'm in Europe, in Marbella, Spain, less 5 months, and the rest of the year I'm in Dubai, guys. So that's also good to know. So what I think, guys, this elections, it's making the price of Bitcoin what already should pumped in this moment of the year. Like end October, guys, it's a bullish moment of the year that we should bounce. And we didn't bounce, I think, because of these elections what comes in 2 weeks. These elections are quite important for the market price, guys. And of course, you guys know the positive will be that President Trump will win the race, and if that happened, guys, I see a big pump for the Bitcoin price, and also for the meme coins, and also for any coin what is in the market, guys. I think the completely cryptocurrency market, it will go up like a rocket when this happens. So but until this moment, that it didn't happen, that we are in doubt, that we don't know, that the public don't know exactly what will happen, a lot of people prefer to be in fiat, in USDT, or or in dollar, or any currency, guys. Money currency, like what they spend it with. Like everybody have a different currency, but they like to be in fiat. That's the most, I think that's the most of the cases of people. So I think that until 5 November, we will not see any big move to the upside, because people are still in doubt and they don't know really which way it will go. I think after 5 November, the things will be more clear for the market, and I think the market gonna take his way. And I think the probability is a lot bigger that it goes up. But of course, it depends also a little bit about who gonna win the elections. So I wanted to say this because, like, normally I think if this thing was not at the moment of the year now here, that 5 November USA have its elections, I think the market will already pumped at this moment. But because of this, it didn't pump, because the people waiting for some more news and more confirmation of their investments, guys. Because like you see now, Bitcoin, it's going down a little bit. Like we were at the top of 69, almost 70k. 70k was a super important point that we should break to the upside, but we didn't. We rejected there. The bears took over control at this point. And now we are trying to find some bottom. And guys, I hope we will that the bulls will defend 66k. But let me be clear, guys. Like in the Bitcoin, in the crypto market, I need to see the prices day by day. I expected that 66k will hold, but now we are very near 66k, and there is a big chance also that we're gonna break 66k to the downside, because also the previous news what I told you about the elections. So maybe if this happens, guys, then I think we should find support around 64k. That's a very important point for me, because if we lose 64k, guys, then we can easy go again to 60k, or even retest the lows. And I don't expect this. I think 64k at this moment, I think the probability is higher that 64k will hold. But because we are in this moment of the year that this elections is now happening and people are very in doubt, we can also expect some crazy move. I hope it doesn't happen, but if it happens, guys, we need to be prepared. So we need to be very sharp with the Bitcoin price and any price where we are in this upcoming 2 weeks until 5 November, because crazy things can happen, guys, and we need to be prepared. So let's hope 66k for now will hold. If it doesn't hold, let's hope 64k will hold. If 64k doesn't hold, guys, it will be a little bit a bad situation for Bitcoin, because in that case we can go lower and maybe we can make one last dip down to make a fast bottom, the ultimate bottom until we go up. Because I think we are now begin November, 5 November, 6 November. That's the time I think that the markets will have a big pump. And if the president wins, that is most positive for Bitcoin, and we know all who that is. If that happened, of course, the price will pump crazy. I think at this moment we will see a candle of 10k, guys. It doesn't matter in which point we are, we will go 10k up in one day. That's what I expect, guys. So enough about Bitcoin, guys. I think let's hope it's hold. If it doesn't hold, guys, we need to act fast, and I will make a new video about what will be my decisions in the market at that moment. and what I will do. And hopefully, you guys also make the right decisions so we don't lose too much money. Because the good thing is, guys, I don't know if you guys also in from 59k, but I went in from 59k 300. So I'm quite safe, guys. Let's like if we break 64k and I see okay, this is not the moment to hold the Bitcoin at the moment. I go out the market and still I have a profit. Like I have a line, I have still like 4 or 5k in between what I can have some game inside, so I don't lose money at that point. So that's the good part. And the bad part is, of course, that Bitcoin is not going up, and that means that the meme coins also are not so strong, guys. The meme coins, the last days that Bitcoin, it doesn't look so strong that the bears they took over the control. You see that the meme coins they react on it. The investors of the meme coins they get a little bit in doubt and they take some money out. What you see. Okay, so let's now go to our three coins. What we're gonna discuss? We're gonna start with Hoppy, guys. Hoppy at 379. Hoppy dropped a little bit. Uh, Dropped a little bit in the rank of the coin market cap, guys, and that's because we had a drop almost 33%, guys. We had a drop of 33%, and we are back on a market cap under 100 million, so 94 million. But I think, guys, there is nothing to worry about. I'm still in Hopi. I didn't take something out Hopi because I trust in Hopi. I think Hopi will bring us a lot of gains, and I don't see a reason to go out with a dip of 33%, guys. Because in the end, you never know it. Sometimes it's better to just keep on a coin, and in 2 or 3 months' time, guys, we will be happy, I think, because I think this coin, when the elections are over, when the market is more stable, people have more trust in the market, I think Hopi will fly, guys. I think this 30% dip, we don't even will remember it when Hopi is going to skyrocket again, guys. Let's go to the Hopi charts. I'm going to add Hopi to this chart. So Hopi, guys, it went in the 4 hours, it went to a 16. Oh, sorry, we are not on Hopi. We went to here to this point at almost 3 zeros behind the comma and a 3 1. That was a quite good bounce what we had there from the all-time high and what we also expected from the all-time high. Just the bad thing, guys, is that we are again in this in this rocket formation what we are in, and we are now inside it again. So I hope this holds and we go up from here, that we don't go more down, because more down it means that we are under this line, guys. What I draw. Let's this is, so we are down now 34% from the high. Let's go to the 12 hour, then we can see this a little bit better. Like this trend line, guys, this should hold, and until now it holds. Like if we break under this trend line, what you see here, this trend line, what you see here, if we break under it, guys, we can make a little more pullback, maybe until this point, 3015. That's from here another 30%, guys. Just I don't expect it, because like we have some support here at 1.5. I hope for Hoppy that Hoppy, because Hoppy, guys, it doesn't really always go with Bitcoin. Like, you know, Hoppy have his own way. Hoppy does his own thing. Hoppy, when Bitcoin a lot of time went down, Hoppy went up and up and up. And maybe Hoppy thinks now, okay, it's enough pullback. We just go up from here. And that will be very nice, because when Bitcoin go down and Hoppy goes up, that's even very nice for us, because that's a situation that we are outperforming the market, and that's always, of course, nice that we are in something that goes against the market in a positive way. It depends also how much you are in Hopi. It depends from person to person, but I think in this channel you guys are quite good in Hopi, what I understood. And myself, I'm also very heavy in Hopi, guys. I'm a Hopi fan. and I think Hoppy will bring great things for us. So don't be too stressed, don't be panic, don't feel bad. I think we are in a great project in Hoppy. My This is not financial advice, guys. This is just like what I think about the coins. That be clear. Um, just I like to share it with you guys because I see ourselves in one group, in one we have one goal. So I try to do my best to yeah to share the things what can serve you guys in this road to the Q4, that we're gonna have some life changers, guys. I hope we're gonna have a lot of life changers in the positive way in this channel, and that's what I gonna try. And we're gonna try to find the new Pepe, and who knows, the new Pepe, it's Hoppy. Who knows, guys? So I wouldn't be too much worry, guys. Don't panic, don't be worried. I think we are in a great coin and a great community. I think the belief is very strong in Hoppy, and I think Hoppy have a lot more for us to bring in the future. So important that this line holds, and this line is at the moment at around 2.1. Let's hope we don't have a close under this, because that means we will go more down, and hopefully it will not happen. Okay, let's go to the next coin. The next coin, what we're gonna discuss, guys, it's Speedy, because Speedy, that's the other story, guys. Speedy is the other story, because Speedy, it shows strength. Speedy, it shows that it wants to go up. This turtle, it doesn't like to go down. This turtle, look, guys, you see this 20, the yellow line, the 20 EMA at the 4 hours, guys. You can check it by yourself. We hold it super strong, and until now we hold the 20 EMA, and that means that the structure didn't change for Speedy. What with lot of other coins and meme coins and Bitcoin, it's changed a little bit the past week, because this is a very weak, like a weak week, guys. It's like not so nice week. This week we became very yeah, let's say not so good. The Monday was directly a pullback, and that was already not so good news. But Speedy, guys, Speedy, it looks great, and let's hope that Speedy hold the 4 hours, the yellow EMA, the 20 EMA, guys. If it hold and we go up and we break this, we break the 4 cents. That means super bullish, you guys. That means we go up, more up, guys. This turtle have plans to go up, and it looks great, guys. I'm happy that I'm in this project. I'm happy that a hope of you also are in this project, because I read the comments, guys, and I think everybody in the community, in our community also, I see this channel I also like a community, that we are super bullish on this coin. So I expect higher prices for Speedy. Just, guys, I want to tell you one thing what's important to know. If Bitcoin will make a crazy move down, that means that all the coins almost will have a drop. That's it. We can't do nothing about that, guys. Like, let that be very clear a bit to people, like the people that are longer in the market, they know this kind of things. But guys, they are new in the market. I think you should be very considering. That's why I also always do the Bitcoin price in the beginning. It's not just for the Bitcoin people. It's also just because we are in a lot of meme coins, and if we are in a lot of meme coins, we need to be watching the Bitcoin price very clear from nearby, because a big move from Bitcoin, it can change the meme coins market cap and the price very fast on the up or on the downside, guys. So we need to be very uh, close to the Bitcoin price. That's why I always check the Bitcoin price with you guys. Because the drop to 60K, guys, expect that all the meme coins also will drop, make a big drop. And yeah, I don't expect that it will take long, because, guys, we are 23 of October. 5 November are the elections. After the elections, guys, I think we have some nice things to come. And if the elections ends in a positive way, it's even more great, because then it's like we're gonna celebrate, guys. We're gonna celebrate the day of the elections, because if that happens, and and the person wins what we think that what we want, he wins because of the crypto, of course. Then guys, it will be a celebration, it will be a big gains, it will be a fantastic, I think it will be the biggest Q4 percentage ways that we're gonna win. I think we're gonna have some big life changers in this Q4, and I'm super excited at this moment because it's not long time, 23 October to 5 November. It's a little 12 days. So in 12 days, guys, we will see a crazy move. Something gonna happen, and I feel it, guys. Something is gonna happen. So to end Speedy, guys, Speedy does great. Speedy does great. Speedy holds strong. Speedy looks very good. Let's go to our last coin, Easy, what I yesterday discussed with you guys. Yesterday, Easy was around at this point at 11. At 11. Then it went a little bit up and it could not break this line. I told you guys yesterday, if we break this line, this resident line, if we break it and we close one candle above it, we will have a big move to the upside with Easy. If we don't break this point, then I told you guys we will have a drop to this point. And I told you guys that's a half of the price of now. We are not yet there. We are not at the half of the price. That's why I didn't yet buy it extra easy, because I buy it at this point at 4 zeros 11. I buy it at this point, around this point, like 4 zeros 1. And I told you guys, if it comes to this point, what I think it will find support at the 4 zeros 55, 4 zeros 5, then I think that at that moment we will have a big bounce, and then I will buy double of the bag that I bought yesterday from Easy. So then my bag, it's double of the price. So then my price that I bought here for 4 zeros 1, it will become a lot lower. It will even become more lower than the 75. It will become around 63, 64. And I think that's a great price, because if you buy in steps, guys, this I will also want to explain you in meme coins. It's also very important in meme coins. uh, if you buy in steps and you don't buy in once, like, I know the feeling, guys. I know when you see a meme coin and you think, wow, this is the meme coin, this is the next Pepe, that you get some FOMO and that you want to rush in. Just, guy, rushing in is the evil, is the devil of the market, and you should avoid this, guys. You should really avoid this rush what you have, this FOMO feeling what you have. Try to avoid this, because that's why I said I never buy in once. I buy in steps. And when you buy in steps, guys, your risk management, your risk in a coin, it will go drastically down. It will go so much more down. What you will discover, that your edge, that the chance that you're gonna win, it's a lot more bigger. And in the end, you have better prices. Of course, if the coin in once go up from your first buy, it's great, and you put it all your money inside, it's great. Just the risk is too high. That's why I say, guys, in this channel, a risk management, it's for me a very high. I'm not a beginner trader, guys. I'm not a guy that's gonna FOMO in a coin and I put all my coin in the coin what I know for a couple of days. And I want to share this also with you guys, so you guys know this, because if that's the way how you think, that's the way how you're gonna lose in the end, guys. That's not the way how you're gonna win. In the winners mentality, guys, you need to have a plan, and the plan is buy in steps, in my opinion. Buying in steps is really protecting you in many ways. So that's I wanted to also share with you guys. So easy, it's going down, but like I said, if it's reached this point, guys, I buy a double back what I buy here. So then my buy price will go drastically down, and then I see it go up, guys. And if it doesn't hold here, I have even another reserve that I buy when it come even more down. So I think that this coin will go up. Just at this moment, we need to wait of a bounce. Maybe the bounce is even here, because in my thing we have an MRI buy at the 4 hour, but I don't give too much. The last MRI buy was here, guys, and it went a lot up. Just I don't give too much attention to the MRI at this moment at this coin, because for this system you need a longer charts, and the charts of Easy, it's not so long, guys. It's just less than, it's from 3 October, this chart. So we are very early. 20 days exactly is this chart old, guys. So I expect higher prices, just a pullback, what we discussed yesterday. And I hope you guys also understand the way how you need to buy things. Never in one, never in FOMO, always in steps. Okay, guys, this was it for today. I hope you liked the show. Tomorrow we have a great news show. We're gonna discuss the Bitcoin price a little bit and a couple other coins. Maybe a new coin. What I will discover. Let's see if the new coins come, guys. Make sure you ring the bell because then you see directly the video and you can be fast. Sometimes I announce a coin and then the coin go up after it and you see it too late and you have less profit in that, or you buy a little bit too late. So let's try to be fast and share the information fast, so we can, like, you can see, you can self make an investigation, you can make a research, because always, guys, make your own research. It's important in the trading. And have a risk management, also important in the trading. And there is 7 8 other things what is very important in the trading for long term wins. And I'm gonna make a video soon, guys, about this kind of 7 8 things what you really need to do in trading so you can make some wins in the long term, because I want you guys learn that trading, it's a game of patience. It's not a game of who buy the fastest and who go the fastest down. It's the game of the turtle. It's the game of Speedy, in steps, constant, like the life, guys. In the life, you need also be constant. If you are constant in things, you're gonna win a lot and you're gonna reach your goals. If you are rushy and you do one day yes, one day no, and today you are here and next day you are there, that's not how life success will come, guys. I hope you understand that. I wish you all a great Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we are back with a new one. And if you have any new things, guys, share it with me in the comments and we discuss it. And maybe I can bring this kind of things together in the group. So we make a nice, great group, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Crypto Mila. Ciao.